Ever wondered how to create a garden that thrives in arid conditions? Welcome to the world of drought-tolerant gardening, a green thumb's oasis amidst parched landscapes. It's a sustainable approach, especially crucial in low rainfall areas. Creating a drought-tolerant garden involves more than just planting a few cacti. Let's delve into the specifics. The first step in creating a drought-tolerant garden is selecting the right plants. Your garden can bloom with life even in arid conditions, thanks to plants that have evolved to thrive in dry environments. Consider succulents, with their fleshy, water-storing leaves. Lavender and sage, too, are excellent choices. Their aromatic foliage not only adding color, but also a delightful scent to your garden. These plants have adapted to survive and even flourish in dry conditions. Remember, the right plants are the foundation of a drought-tolerant garden. Now that you've chosen your plants, it's time to prepare the soil. For drought-tolerant plants, well-draining soil is crucial to ensure they don't drown. Amend your soil with organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve its drainage. The best time to plant these resilient green friends? In the cooler months of spring or autumn, when the soil is warmer and moisture levels are balanced. With your soil prepared and your plants in the ground, you're well on your way to having a drought-tolerant garden. A drought-tolerant garden doesn't mean a maintenance-free garden. Yes, these plants are champions of survival in arid conditions, but they too appreciate an occasional deep watering. This helps them establish a robust root system and encourages them to grow strong and healthy. Remember, even the most resilient of plants can get thirsty. So, while they can get by with less, giving them the right care can make all the difference. With the right care, your drought-tolerant garden can be a vibrant, thriving oasis. Creating a drought-tolerant garden is a rewarding project that can save water and create a beautiful, resilient landscape. We've covered choosing the right plants, soil preparation, planting, and maintenance. Remember to give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!